In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact ClickUp support. If you ever run into an issue or just need guidance, ClickUp's built-in support makes it easy to reach the right people directly from your workspace. We'll start inside your account, open the help menu and launch a chat so you can ask your question and get answers fast. Begin by signing into your ClickUp account in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're in the workspace where you're experiencing the issue. Being in the correct workspace helps the support team see the right context. Look to the top right corner of the app and click your profile avatar. It may show your photo or your initials. This opens a menu with account and workspace options. If your window is small, you may need to expand the menu to see everything. From that menu, choose Help. This opens ClickUp's help panel without taking you away from your work. You'll see resources and shortcuts designed to guide you. Inside the help panel, go to Support. This section is dedicated to contacting the team rather than browsing documentation, and it's the quickest path to personal assistance. Next, click Contact. You're moving from general help resources into a direct line where your message can be routed to a specialist. Select Set up Assistance. This option flags that you're looking for help, getting something configured or working correctly, which helps the system send your request to the best qualified support agents. Then choose Connect with Support. This will open a chat or form where you can communicate with ClickUp's team. You might first see automated suggestions. That's normal and can surface quick answers while a human reviews your message. Now type the question you want to ask. Be as clear and specific as possible. Briefly describe what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. Include any relevant task or view links, the name of the feature you're using, and the steps you already tried. Mention your browser or app version and your operating system if the issue seems technical. If you have screenshots or a short screen recording, say that you can provide them. Visuals often speed up troubleshooting. Send your message and keep the chat window open so you don't miss replies. If you need to step away, you can come back to the same help panel later. The conversation will be there, and you may also receive follow-up by email. That's it. You've connected with ClickUp support directly from your account, and you're ready to get the help you need.